Hello, Dr. Gervasi and Nicole Traver. My name is Diavion Vincent, and today I will be speaking about Irish moss and the neuroprotective properties of Chondrus crispus from Parkinson's disease. So, did you take your vitamins today? If you didn't, I would recommend that you take a shot of Irish sea moss. Irish sea moss has many different healing properties that are worth hearing about. So, the three main points that I will be touching upon are the background knowledge, the neuroprotective properties, and other beneficial properties of Irish sea moss. So, if you didn't take your vitamins today, here are some ways that Irish sea moss could help with that. So, first and foremost, Irish sea moss has many different names. It's referred to as Irish moss, Irish sea moss, Irish sea moss, and Chondrus crispus, which is its scientific name, which is also its species name. So, Irish sea moss is native in the Atlantic Ocean. It's native near Europe, North America, and the British Isles. So it's more close in proximity to Western culture, but it's not very common in Western culture. So when you think of Western culture, you'll think of more processed foods and less healthy foods. And you may not even see a place for a superfood in our culture. But if you knew just how much benefits Irish sea moss actually had in, then you would wonder why it's not part of our culture. So this brings me to my first point as to how it's beneficial to us humans. So Irish sea moss holds neuroprotective properties. So there are a few different proteins that lead to neurodegeneration. One of these proteins is asynuclein. So ASyn, for short, encodes for a presynaptic protein which aggregates and is found in Lewy bodies. These Lewy bodies are what are seen to cause Parkinson's disease. So the mutations of these genes are what cause the early symptoms of Parkinson's disease. So CCME, which is also known as methanoic extract of Corpus crispus, is the dietary supplement which was used also in these studies, which are shown in the chart, that help to reduce the ASyn protein levels in humans. So by doing this, they also were able, by using the CCME, they were also able to reduce oxidative stress, which is also known to be a common reason for Parkinson's disease being so prevalent. So CCME was able to decrease the ASyn levels and also is able to create a tolerance for the response of the stress response genes, which are SOD3 and SKN1. So by doing this, they were able to decrease the oxidative stress levels, which are causes of Parkinson's disease. However, this topic still requires a lot more research, as well as all the topics regarding Irish sea moss, because there isn't a lot of studies around the beneficial effects of Irish sea moss as a whole. So this brings me to my last point, that there are also other benefits of Irish sea moss. So Irish sea moss is used in topical lotions, creams, gels, and face masks. This is because Irish sea moss has anti-aging properties. So there is a protein called citrulline agonine that promotes cellular growth and metabolism. So by doing this, the wrinkles of your skin are prevented because of this. Irish sea moss is also used as a superfood by many because it is so nutrient dense. It also replenishes essential vitamins. And because of this, it helps with immunity and digestion. So the plethora of vitamins is basically what helps with immunity, and it's also used as a supplement for foods like spinach and kale because it's so nutrient dense. And it's also used for digestion purposes because it has antibacterial properties as well. So, did you still want to take your vitamins? Because I know I definitely want to try sea moss because it has so many different nutrients that it seems like you can definitely supplement it for a lot of those leafy greens that you may not want to even eat and drink and what have you. So, in concluding, Irish sea moss has many different properties, including its neuroprotective properties, but as well it has topical properties, even its anti-aging properties that are well known for being used in their lotions and gels and face masks. But although it has so many different benefits, I still believe that it would be overlooked in the further research of Parkinson's disease, because Western culture is so accustomed to seeking medicine and chemicals that natural remedies, I believe, would just be overlooked. But I do, however, really hope that the knowledge of Irish sea moss will be expanded upon within research and studies because there's a lot to unpack there. There's a lot of different nutrients and a lot of different benefits that we probably don't even know of and haven't even discovered yet. And I believe that it could be the future of medicine, really. So my name is Diavion, and thank you for listening.